Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews. The 2026 Honda Motorhome Camper is not just a vehicle, it's a vision of the future of travel, combining Honda's engineering excellence with the spirit of freedom on the open road. At first glance, it commands attention with its futuristic silhouette, a seamless blend of SUV-like ruggedness and the sleek lines of a luxury coach. The front is bold yet inviting, with signature LED lighting that stretches across the fascia and a sculpted grille that carries Honda's modern design language. Aerodynamic contours flow gracefully along its sides, reducing drag while adding elegance, and large panoramic windows give it the presence of a moving glass house on wheels. It's not just a motorhome, it's a rolling statement of comfort and independence. Step inside, and the world outside fades away into a sanctuary of design and technology. The interior of the 2026 Honda Motorhome Camper feels like stepping into a high-end apartment on wheels. Every detail has been thoughtfully curated, from the soft-touch leather surfaces and wooden accents to the ambient lighting that creates a soothing atmosphere. The living space has been redefined with modular flexibility, allowing seating, dining, and resting areas to transform seamlessly. A fully equipped kitchenette boasts induction cooktops, a refrigerator, and a smart storage system, giving travelers the ability to enjoy home-cooked meals wherever their journey takes them. The lounge area is designed for relaxation and connectivity. Plush, rotating captain chairs, a sofa that converts into a bed, and a hidden fold-out dining table all ensure maximum use of space without clutter. At the center, a massive 15-inch infotainment hub doubles as both entertainment and control system, connecting everything from climate to lighting through voice and touch commands. Integrated Wi-Fi, smart TV screens, and surround sound bring cinema-like experiences right inside the cabin. Above, a panoramic skylight opens the space to natural light by day and starlit skies by night, reminding travelers that luxury and adventure can coexist. When it's time to rest, the Honda Motorhome Camper doesn't compromise on comfort. A master bedroom with a queen-size bed, layered memory foam mattress, and customizable lighting creates a true retreat on the road. Clever use of space allows for generous wardrobes, hidden compartments, and a bathroom complete with a rainfall shower, vanity, and eco-friendly fixtures. It's a space designed to make you forget you're in a vehicle. It feels more like a boutique hotel suite that simply happens to move with you. Powering this futuristic camper is Honda's latest hybrid electric drivetrain, engineered to deliver smooth performance while maximizing efficiency. A powerful electric motor paired with a fuel-efficient petrol engine ensures long-range capability, while the onboard battery pack supports essential amenities during stops. Solar panels integrated into the roof supplement power needs, offering sustainable travel for extended off-grid living. With adaptive air suspension and advanced driving aids like lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, it provides a driving experience that feels effortless and secure, no matter the terrain. The 2026 Honda Motorhome Camper represents more than just mobility, it's freedom redefined. It caters to modern travelers who want independence without giving up luxury, technology, or sustainability. Whether you're cruising highways, exploring mountains, or parking by a serene lakeside, this motorhome transforms every journey into an unforgettable experience. It's not just about getting to your destination, it's about living every mile with style, comfort, and purpose. The future of road travel has arrived, and Honda has delivered it in a package that turns dreams into reality. The 2026 Motorhome Camper isn't simply a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, a bold step into an era where adventure meets sophistication, and the road itself becomes home. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.